at the big box store, and it's late November 23rd, 24th, and I found these daffodils on sale. They were half price, so I got them for $4, 12 of them for $4. So I thought I'd just plant them up here real quick, and no harm, no foul. It's still early enough to get them in the ground and get some growth on them. Get them cold enough during the winter so that they come up in the spring. All right, let's get going here. Today I'm using my drill, my auger bit. Super easy, super fast. Just like that. All right. I'm going to put 3 of them in here in this little spot. There's one. There's one. I'm putting them kind of deep. They're about 5 inches deep or so. There's one. Now I think what I'll do is not cover those up so I can remember where I put them. Or maybe I would forget and just start covering everything up. Ooh, that was a deep hole. That's all right. Keeps the squirrels away. Catching some of this privet roots here. Oh yeah, that works good. Thought maybe I'd have to strip the bark off of here, but I think I'm okay. That one, nothing left of it. You gotta squeeze them, make sure they're still viable. That one was dead, the last one. I really like this drill. Makes short work of digging holes. Just a cordless drill and auger bit. Auger bit is nice. I'm gonna put in 2 in that one. That one didn't feel so firm. All right. Now that one's dead. I think I got one more. Nope. All right, that's it. Now I'll just rake them over. You need about 40 days of cold weather minimum. And we still have that. What is it, November? We got all of December, all of January, all of February. There's 90 days right there. All right, rake that around so it looks decent. Yeah, all right, there you go. Have a good day.